You're looking for no-bake chocolate cake or a chocolate pudding dessert. Craving something rich and chocolatey? This no-bake chocolate cake is the perfect, quick and easy chocolate pudding dessert. Made with simple ingredients, this no-bake chocolate cake combines smooth chocolate pudding layer and a delicious cookie base. Watch and learn how to make the ultimate no-bake chocolate cake that's creamy, rich and irresistible. My name is Julian and I'm a chef since 2012. I've worked in 5-star restaurants and Michelin-star kitchens around the world. I'll be happy if you join me for this recipe and let me share with you my culinary experience. In a bowl, add together and crush to small pieces 2 types of biscuits, or whatever available to you. Firstly, crush by hand, then use a spoon. In a small pot, melt gently the butter, zest the nutmeg into the biscuits and mix well. We will use a round dish for this dessert. Oil the bottom and sides and cut the parchment paper for the bottom as we show you how to do it in the video. Then add the side pieces to the dish so the dessert doesn't stick anywhere. This way it can be taken out easier. Place the crushed biscuits inside and with a spoon or a glass firmly press them to the bottom. To prepare the chocolate pudding, in a large enough pot, place together cornstarch, brown sugar, high quality cocoa powder and mix the dry ingredients well before adding the cold milk. Keep mixing as we want the dry ingredients to disperse into the cold milk before we start heating the mixture. This way we can make sure there will be no lumps. Then add the cream and mix well. We will add cinnamon stick and gelatin, which was bloomed into Bailey's Irish cream, which is optional. You can substitute for water. Once everything is mixed, it's time to start heating the pudding slowly at medium heat. This process will take about 10 minutes. Once you see the pudding thickens, it means the starch is starting to work, and it's time to remove the cinnamon stick and add the chocolate. To finish, zest a little bit more nutmeg to taste. You can see the mix is not way too thick, which is perfect. Optionally, you can pass the pudding through a sieve to remove any unwanted lumps. And to cool down quicker, optionally, you can do as we show you in the video and place the bowl with the pudding over an ice water bath. To add the gelatin, you need to heat in the microwave or in hot water and then put it into the pudding. Then it's time to pour the pudding over the biscuit base. Make sure to even the surface and place a cling film on top to prevent skin forming over the pudding. Leave the chocolate pudding to cool down in the fridge for up to 4 hours or until set. Then take out of the dish and sift some cocoa powder on top. Additionally, you can decorate with some berries and whipped cream. It is a beautiful, smooth, rich in flavor chocolate dessert, which can be a great addition to any party. It's been a pleasure for me to show you another amazing recipe from my culinary experience. This no-bake chocolate dessert or chocolate pudding is a must-try and it will become your favorite choco treat very quickly. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. That means a lot for us and we hope to see you in another video of ours. Bye!